Since being added to the Fat Book in 2014, the Trask Performance brand has been building like a thunderhead on the plains, growing stronger every year with our performance parts on motorcycles roaming all corners of the globe. This tremendous growth of the Trask brand is in no small part due to the sales professionals and dealers that continue to use, buy, sell, and promote the Trask parts available to them. But in all that time, there's always been that one missing piece. For over 20 years, Trask Performance has been the leader in turbocharging American V-twin motorcycles. And now, in an exclusive and continued partnership with Drag Specialties, we're excited to introduce the Tornado Turbo Kit. The Trask Turbo Kit includes everything you'll need to quickly add over 45% more power to any stock Milwaukee 8-equipped motorcycle at a fraction of the cost of building and outfitting a comparable naturally aspirated setup. All this while still being able to run on pump gas. The Trask Turbo Kit gives the rider smooth power delivery and on-demand performance while maintaining the rideability and reliability of a stock engine. Proudly developed and produced in Phoenix, Arizona, the Tornado Turbo Kit is an 8 to 10 hour bolt-on installation, which equates to a short build time for the most anxious, power-hungry customers.